For technique. You can't strike them much better than that.
Well, just look at this strike again. He hits it so well. That's a great bit of skill. No wonder he's pleased with himself.
Well, it's a tale of 4 goals in this match now. 3-1 it is. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Decent effort there.
Well, he has such good technique. He really did hit that well. He certainly came close there.
Jeremy Frimpong. Neymar. Well, a long-distance effort and a highly respectable one, Stuart.
Well, he surprised everybody, including me. It's a decent effort, you have to say.
Frank Rijkaard. Dybala. Gerrard. Neymar. And the ball with Gerrard. Frimpong. And Neymar with teammates to help him. Well, you've got to say, comfortably off target, Stuart.
Yeah, that's a waste of good possession. His teammates are not happy with him, and they're letting him know.
Virgil van Dijk. Neymar. Donyell Malen. Neymar. Oh, that is a goal from long range. He won't soon forget. Absolutely right out of the top drawer.
Well, look at the replay here, because they don't come much better than this. He hits it so sweetly. What a goal this is.